Hello, my name is Jay McCabe and I'm a commercial banker with Comerica Bank, and this is Ask the Banker. With LIBOR officially going away in a few months, a question I've been asked more frequently is, what is the difference between BSBY and SOFR? By way of background, both BSBY and SOFR are benchmark index rates that have been developed to replace LIBOR. A company's overall borrowing cost for variable rate loans will be the benchmark rate plus the bank's loan spread. SOFR stands for Secured Overnight Financing Rate, and BSBY stands for Bloomberg Short-Term Bank Yield Index. There are some key differences between the two rates, which causes SOFR to be slightly lower than BSBY. As the name implies, SOFR is a secured rate, which means that it reflects the cost of borrowing with U.S. Treasuries as collateral. Given that it's essentially a risk-free rate, it's typically lower than BSBY. BSBY is an unsecured rate, which means that it reflects the cost of borrowing without any collateral. Since borrowing without any collateral carries more risk, it makes sense that BSBY is typically slightly higher. The obvious next question is, if SOFR is a lower benchmark rate, why would I not just use SOFR? Banks have factored this into their spread, so the all-in rate of the benchmark plus the spread will be comparable. Additionally, there are different terms and options available in each, which could be another decision factor. The bottom line is there are many things to consider, so it's helpful to have an experienced relationship manager to determine the best benchmark rate for your company. I hope you found some value in this video. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments or send me a direct message. My name is Jay McCabe, and I'm a commercial banker with Comerica Bank, and this is Ask the Banker.